Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install latest Google Chrome on Parrot OS. So before starting the process, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. So to install the Google Chrome on the Parrot OS, first of all, open your default browser. You need to download the Google Chrome Debian package to install on Parrot OS. So just click on download. You need to choose the DEV package since Parrot OS is based on Debian. So after the download is done, just close the browser and open the terminal. And you need to change the directory to downloads folder. And let's view. So here we go. This is the DV package of the Google Chrome we need to install. So to make the package installable, we need to run a command for that. First of all, you need to copy this, and after that type, and you need to paste that copied section. Type your user password. Now again, let's pivot, and again, now we need to install the DEV package. So to install the DEV package, type sudo dpkg -i, and you can paste that section. So here we go. So you can see the process is done and Google Chrome is successfully installed in our system. So to open the Google Chrome, let's close the terminal. Now you need to restart your system. After restarting, when you go inside the application and inside the internet section, you can find the Google Chrome here. So let's open it. So this is the welcome screen of the Google Chrome. Now we can just click and get it started. And here we go. In this way, you can install Google Chrome on Parrot OS. So hey guys, if you find my video informative, please don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. See you guys in the next video. Until then, signing off.